Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to activate the hidden precision cursor control on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, when you write something and you want to maybe edit something in between of your text, then let me show you how to do this. So as an example here, if I want to edit all of these 8s and I want to remove it, I need to go ahead and tap on them. Sometimes your finger is really fat and it doesn't really go to the right position. However, here you can basically activate the hidden precision cursor control. So you can basically long press the spacebar on your Samsung keyboard to activate a hidden cursor feature that lets you slide and move the text cursor precisely. So as an example here, we'll go ahead and long press on the spacebar. And when we do this, we can go ahead and move the cursor anywhere on that line. And you can basically precisely set your cursor wherever you want. Delete that, do that again, delete that. So the benefit of this is that it makes your editing text effortlessly, especially in long messages or documents where tapping isn't accurate. So there you go guys, that is how to activate the hidden precision cursor control on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.